you're also suffering from dandruff, itchy scalp, and hair fall, then trust me, you are not alone. Even my hairs look dull often, और हमेशा मेरा scalp itchy रहता है, and I'm also facing lots of hair fall because of the stress. और स्ट्रेस की वजह से हेयर फॉल हो रहा है और हेयर फॉल की वजह से स्ट्रेस हो रहा है मुझे. So today I'm gonna share you my exact hair care routine that I'm following from so long that is helping me in improving my scalp health and hair quality. And trust me, this is not an overnight transformation. It requires consistency for about months. So let's start the video and move towards the realistic journey to a healthier hair. So first step, I'll be oiling my scalp. The first thing I do is apply neem oil directly into my scalp using my fingertip. Instead of using any hair oil applicator, I like to section my hair first so the oil reaches my scalp properly instead of just sitting on my hair. Then I gently massage it in the circular motion for about 5 to 10 minutes. This massage feels super relaxing and also improve blood circulation to the scalp. It gives the oil enough time to spread evenly and reach the roots. Neem oil is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties which can help reduce dandruff, soothe an itchy scalp and keep the scalp healthy. It's also believed to create a healthier environment for hair growth by keeping the scalp clean. I don't use too much oil because a little goes a long way. Applying too much can make it harder to wash. Since I'm traveling from so long, so my hair ends are now very rough nowadays. So I'm applying oil over here also. We'll be keeping this for about 30 minutes. मैंने टाइमर लगा दिया है. वैसे मैं यूजुअली इसको 1 आवर के लिए रखती हूँ, बट अभी मुझे इसके बाद कर्ड भी लगाना है, मास्क भी लगाना है, इसलिए अब मैं सिर्फ हाफ एन आवर के लिए रखूँगी. एंड आई थिंक दिस मच इज़ इनफ बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी मसाज्ड इट प्रॉपरली, सो वी डोंट रिक्वायर टू कीप ऑयल फॉर सो लॉन्ग. So it's been 30 minutes and after oiling I'll be using my favorite DIY mask. It's a curd mask. I use fresh plain curd without adding any other ingredient. I part my hairs into section and apply it directly onto my scalp so that every area is covered evenly, especially the spots where I used to get dandruff and the spots which are itchy. Curd has a cooling effect, so it instantly makes my scalp feel calm and refreshed. It's also a great natural moisturizer and conditioner which helps if your scalp feels dry or flaky. Since curd contains lactic acid, it gently helps remove dead skin cells and product buildup from the scalp, leaving it feeling much cleaner after washing. I make sure not to apply a very thick layer because a thin, even layer works just fine and it is much easier to rinse out later. I'll be keeping it for 15 to 20 minutes. और actually मैंने timer पहले start कर दिया था. By the time I'll be applying these under eye patches because रात में मैं सोती नहीं हूँ, फ़ोन चलाना होता है, तो डार्क सर्कल्स तो ऑब्वियस होने ही थे. I'm trying it for the first time. Before this I was using Pixie one. Let's see how are these. Oh my god, they are so I'm gonna take them. These are the coffee eye patches. Actually they are very big for my face, but they actually feel like cappuccino under my eyes. That's it. I look like a panda. I'm gonna relax for 15 minutes. Everything is dried and I'll be removing everything now. First I'll start by removing these eye patches. I feel so nourished under my eyes. Oh my god, it's actually very good eye patches. I'm impressed by MK Fiend products nowadays. And now it's time to wash off everything. So firstly, move to the washroom. I always wash doing upside down as it promotes hair growth. So after 20 minutes, I don't immediately use shampoo. First, I rinse my hair thoroughly with plain water to remove all the curd. This makes shampooing much easier and prevents product buildup also. So I'm using L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture Shampoo, mixing it in the water as I don't apply shampoo directly. Before applying the shampoo, I make sure my hair and scalp are completely wet because that helps the shampoo spread more easily and creates a better lather. Using my fingertips, I gently massage massage my scalp in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. I never use my nails because that can irritate the scalp. The purpose of this first wash is to remove all the oil, curd, sweat, dirt and the product buildup from my scalp. Since I had applied both oil and curd beforehand, this first cleanse helps break everything down. I rinse the shampoo with cold water and I remove all the excess water before going for the second wash. For the second wash, I am using this sulfate-free anti-hair fall shampoo from Love Beauty and Planet. This is chemical-free shampoo and sulfate-free. I'll use it directly on my palm and rub it and then apply it on my scalp. The first shampoo removes most of the buildup, but the second cleanse helps make sure my scalp is properly clean. That's why I like double cleansing whenever I oil my hair. I love that this shampoo is sulfate free because it cleanses my scalp without making my hair feel overly dry. It leaves my hair feeling fresh, soft and lightweight after every wash. Once I have massaged it for about a minute, I rinse everything off thoroughly, making sure there is no shampoo left behind because leftover products can sometimes lead to scalp irritation or buildup, and I am also removing the excess water. Instead of using a regular towel, I always use a microfiber towel to dry my hairs. It's much gentle on wet hairs and help absorb excess water without creating too much friction. Simply wrap my hairs in the towel for a few minutes and let it soak up. So I'm done washing my hairs and currently my hairs are dry. So I also wanted to talk about that to treat your hair fall and dandruff, you also need to take good diet. Only washing your hairs with anti-hair fall shampoo is not enough. You also need to have some supplements like vitamin D, B12. As a brown girl, I always have a deficiency of vitamin D and B12, so I take them not on regular basis, alternate day. Either I take vitamin D or B12 because whenever I'm getting the check of B12 or D, it's always less, so I have to take it. So don't forget these supplements because they are very necessary, and also your diet is important to cure your hair fall. I know you must be wondering, whenever you oil your hairs or you wash your hair, there is a lot of hair fall and you must be thinking कि भाई इतना ज़्यादा मसाज करूँगी या फिर इतना ज़्यादा products लगाऊंगी तो और ज़्यादा hair fall होगा. ऐसा नहीं है. If you are using everything on the right amount and also focusing on your diet, it will not happen. As I mentioned, I always double cleanse my scalp because I'm having oily scalp plus dandruff, so I need my scalp to be super clean. I try to clean my scalp as much I can do it. This time I haven't applied any hair mask. First of all, the product I use after hair wash is this hair growth serum from Wishcare. Trust me, I haven't used any hair growth serum which is as good as this serum. You just need to take a little, take your scalp, press it and just massage it. That's enough. And then the last step of all hair care routine, it's using a good serum. वैसे तो I generally use the ordinary hair serum, but अभी उसकी मेरी bottle टूट गई है, so I cannot show you. I just have this Streaks hair serum, so I just take little on my hand, rub it and apply it on my lengths. If you follow this routine, trust me, your hairs are gonna be super soft, super silky and super shiny. अभी already एक दिन हो चुका है मुझे hair wash करते हुए, तो you know अभी थोड़ा सा अलग हो गया है because उस दिन मुझे कहीं जाना था तो मैं obviously shoot नहीं कर पाई. So anyways, I'm shooting today, जिसकी वजह से उतना नहीं दिख रहा, but on the day जब मैंने hair wash किया था, they were super good and I love them. Actually अभी भी I love them. Let me show you. See, can you see? Yeah, you must be thinking that मेरे ही बाल इतने पतले हैं तो why I'm giving hair care tips. भाई मेरे बाल झड़े नहीं है, it's just मेरे बचपन से ही बाल कम है. अब जितने बाल हैं मुझे उसकी ही केयर करनी पड़ती है. अब मुझे अभी रिसेंट में हेयर फॉल होने लगा था बिकॉज ज़्यादा ट्रैवल करी थी. फॉर 15 days आई वॉज इन बैंगलोर, और बैंगलोर का पानी बहुत गंदा है. फिर मैं हैदराबाद में थी 10 to 12 days, तो उधर का भी पानी बहुत गंदा था. फिर मैं अपने नाना नानी के घर पे थी तो उधर का भी पानी सुपर्ब गंदा था. सो इतने सारे गंदे पानी के बाद मेरे बालों की ऐसी तैसी हो गई थी. सो आई हैव टू फॉलो अ हेयर केयर रूटीन. एंड ऐसा नहीं कि आपको कहीं बाहर जाओ तभी हेयर केयर रूटीन फॉलो करना है, आप घर पे भी हो तो भी हेयर केयर इज मस्ट, एटलीस्ट ऑयलिंग और डबल क्लेंजिंग. अब आपका ड्राई स्कैल्प है तो डबल क्लेंजिंग मत करना, अदरवाइज और ज्यादा ड्राई होगा, बिकॉज शैम्पूज ऑलरेडी आपको स्कैल्प को ड्राई करते हैं. सो डोंट do double cleansing if you have dry hairs. So that was it for the video, guys, and you need to follow this hair care routine for at least 7 to 8 weeks. Then the results will be in front of you. Otherwise आप एक बार करोगे तो एक टाइम में तो कुछ भी नहीं होता. You have to do it consistently, then only results will be visible to you. That's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, if you like this hair care routine, if you want me to makes more such videos like it, please mention that thing in the comment box. If you have any query related anything, just drop your query in the comment section. I'm gonna reply it to you very soon. Skincare video is also coming soon. I have already shot it, the editing part is left, and trust me, this hair care routine will definitely stop your hair fall for 70 to 75%. Okay, I'm not saying it 100%. 75% आपका हेयर फॉल कम हो ही जाएगा, ये मैं बता रही हूँ. Want that I should make more such videos? Don't forget to like, comments, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, तब तक के लिए bye bye.